හරි ඔයාලා ගන්නකො මෙතන 350 කියලා ගහලා තියෙන උඩ. Next question 50 350 කියලා දාලා තියෙන bracket ඇතුලේ. Within bracket 350 කියන එක ගන්න. 350 කියන එක ගන්න ඕනේ. ඒක මම සාකච්ඡා කරන්නේ. හදපු එකයි මේ ටියුට් එකයි දෙකම ගන්න. බලන්න question number ගන්න. Question number 1 කියනවා round 42 to the nearest multiple of 10. Then now unit place digit is 2. If unit place digit is 2, we want to round previous 10 multiple. Then its previous 10 multiples is 40. 40. ඔයාලා හරියට දාගන්න. 40. වැරදි නම් ඒක rewrite කරන්න. Question number 2. Write the type of angle below. Then what is the name of this type of angle? This one is the acute angle. This one is acute angle. This one is acute angle. This one is acute angle. Question number 3. Write the unit fraction with denominator 6. If unit fraction numerator should be 1. Now numerator is 1 and its denominator they mention by denominator is 6. Then 1 over 6. 1 over 6. Question number 4. 204 million. 204 and 204 million. 204 million. 7,000. Then 007. 7,000 and 800. Now 800. On nominal. 204 million. 7,000 and 800. Question number 5. 1 over 4 plus 3 over 8. We know when we add the fractions, denominators should be same. Now denominators is unlike because 4 and 8. Now 4 we want to change to 8. 4 we want to change to 8. Then how to change 4 to 8? By multiplying in 2. Then 4 times 2 8. 4 times 2 8. 1 times 2 2. Now we can substitute 1 over 4 as 2 over 8. Now 2 over 8 plus and 3 over 8. Now denominators are like. කියන්නේ අපි like කියන්නේ සමානයි කියන එක. like. unlike කියන අසමානයි. අර same not same වගේම තමයි. එහෙනම් now denominator is like නේ 8 නේ එහෙනම් same නේ. එහෙනම් එයාම ලියනවා 8 කියලා. numerator එක විතරක් අපි add කරනවා 2 plus 3. එහෙනම් final answer එක එනවා අපිට එනවා 5 over 8 කියලා. 5 over 8. බලන්න හදලා තියෙන විදිහ හරිද කියලා. 5 over 8. මේ method එක ඕනේ. මේ step ටික ඕනේ මයි. 5 over 8. බලන්න question number 6. They ask write 7 billion and 7 in words. 7 billion era 007. This is a billion period. Then there is no digit in million period. 000. This is a million period and also 1000 periods is also again no digit. Then add 3 zeros for our 1000 period, and last is 7. 7 is unit, our unit period is 7, 0, 0, 7. No need to put 2 zeros in front. Oh, 7 billion and 7. 7 billion and 7. Question number 7. Subtract කියලා කියනවා 789 minus 99. 9 minus 9 0. Then we want to get another one. Now 18 minus 9 කියන්නේ 18 minus 9 9. Then 7 remaining is now, remaining balance is now 6. Then 6 690. 690. Question number 8. Question number 8. The interval in a school is started at 10:45 a.m. Started time is the interval is started at 10:45 a.m. 10:45 a.m. and ended at 11:10 a.m. End time is 11:10. 11:10. Find the elapsed time. Elapsed time කියන්නේ ගත වෙච්ච කාලය. Elapsed time. When we find the elapsed time, end time subtract started time. Then we want to write hours and minutes separately like that one. Now 11:10 subtract 10:45. 10:45. 11:10 subtract 10:45. But now we can't subtract 45 from 10. Then we want to take 1 hour. Then 1 hour equal to how many minutes? 1 hour equal 10 minutes. 60 minutes. 1 hour equal 60 minutes. And another 10 minutes here. Now total minutes is 70. 70 minus 45 now. 70 minus 45. Better 5. Better 6 minus 4 කියන්නේ 2. Now minutes is 25 minutes. Now this remaining hours is now 10. 10 minus 10 0. Now interval is 25 minutes. Elapsed time is 25 minutes. 25 minutes. 25 minutes. Question number 9. 78 multiplied by 100. In this time, we can add 2 zeros. 78. 78 and add 2 zeros. Then 7,800. Then 5,000. Next one is 5,000 divided by 100. In this time, we can cut the zeros like that one. 0, 0 cut, 0, 0 cut. Then answer is only 50. Answer is only 50. Only 50. Question number 10. Question number 10. 7, 12, 17, 22. They ask next two terms of our number pattern. Then how to change 7 to 12 by adding 5. By adding 5. Then again 12 to 17. Again by adding 5. Then again by adding 5. Then next terms we can create by adding again 5. Then 27. This one is 27. Again add another 5. Then 32. 32. Next two terms is 27 and 32. Question number 11. Positive 8 and negative 12. Positive, when we compare positive and negative, positive is greatest. Always positive is greatest. Now 8 is greater than to negative 12. Now 8 is greater than to negative 12. Then negative 4 and negative 7. Negative numbers they are compared. Podi එක ලොකුයි. Smallest one is the greatest now. Smallest one is greatest only negative integers. Smallest one is greatest now. Smallest one is negative 4. Now negative 4 is greater than negative 7. Question number 12. 9 over 15 subtract 2 over 5. When we subtract fractions, again denominators should be same. Otherwise we can't subtract fractions. Now we want to change 5 to 15. Now we want to change 5 to 15. How to change 5 to 15? By multiplying 3. By multiplying 3. Then 2 over 5 multiply by with 3. Numerator also we want to multiply by with 3. 5 times 3 15 and 2 times 3 6. Now first 9 over 15 here. 9 over 15 here. Subtract. Now we want to substitute. Now we want to substitute 6 over 15 as 2 over 5. Now we want to substitute 6 over 15. 6 over 15. Now denominators are like meaning is same. Now we can simplify our numerators. 9 minus 6. 9 minus 6 is 3 over 15. 3 over 15. Question number 13. 13 again. 1 over 7, then 1 over 15. We want to compare this one. Now numerators is same. Numerators is same. Now largest one is 1 over 7. උඩ සමානයි නම් මම අපි කොහොමද උඩ සමානයි නම් යට පොඩි එකා ලොකු. උඩ සමාන නම් මේ numerator same. එන යට ලොකු එකා පොඩි එකා ලොකුයි. පොඩි එකා තමයි ලොකු වෙන්නේ. 14. Find the factors of 30. 30, find the factors. 30 අපිට පුළුවන් ලියන්න කොහොමද? 1 into 30 is 30. 1 into 30 is 30. 2 into 15 is 30. 2 into 15 is again 30. When we find the factors, first we want to write 30 product of two integers. Then 1 times 30, like that one. 2 times 15 and 3 times 10. Again 30. 3 times 10 and 5 times 6. Then 5 times 6. 5 times 6. Made it right. Then we will find the now factors. Now factors is 1, 30, 2, 15, 3, 10, 5, 6. 5, 6. Question number 15. Question number 15. New year days is April 15, 2024. Then we want to write date in standard form. Then first we want to write when we write the dates in standard form, first we want to write the year, next month, and last date. Then 2024, 2024. It is 2024. April is which month? April again, January, February, March, April. 4. Then we want to add 404. Otherwise wrong. And April 14. Then 14. Question number 16. Now question number 16 here, 16, they ask the subdirection between west and south, southwest, likely and southwest, then southwest, southwest. Question number 17, 17. Question number 17. Look, question number 17. They ask, write the instrument. Question number 17. Write the instrument used to measure the horizontality of a plane. Horizontality plane එකක් අපි මොකෙන්ද measure කරන්නේ? Spirit level again. Spirit level. Spirit level. Spirit level. Spirit level. Spirit level. එතකොට vertical plane එකක් plumb එකකින්. Plumb මතකයි? Vertical plane කියලා දාගන්නවා. Vertical plane එකක් අපි measure කරන්නේ plumb ලම්බය. Plumb. Then horizontal plane, we can measure the spirit level. Spirit level is horizontal. Horizontal plane. And vertical plane, plumb. Question number 18. 756 divide by 9. They ask quotient and remainder. Now we want to apply long division method. Now how many times? 9 times 8. 9 times 8 is 72. 72. Now remainder 3. Take 6. Take 6 now. 4, 9 times 4 is 36. Now remainder is 0. Remainder is 0. Now quotient. Quotient is 84 and remainder is 0. This is a quotient. This is a remainder. Question number 19. Look, question number 19. Write the number of horizontal faces in a cube. This is a cube. This is a cube. When horizontal faces is this one, horizontal. Horizontal meaning is a thiras. Thiras mean horizontal faces. And there are two horizontal faces. Two faces. Then horizontal faces is 2. Then vertical faces are 4. There are 4 vertical faces in a cube. And there are 2 horizontal faces in a cube. That's number 20. Write the time in standard form when the angle between hour hand and minute hand of a clock from a right angle. Right angle එකදන්නේ 3 o'clock එක හරිනේ. මේ බානු 3 එක. AM or PM. 3 o'clock මේ. Now angle is right angle. Then 3 o'clock අපි දාමු AM කියලා හිතමුකෝ අපි. Then 0 3 double dot and 0 0. Standard form එකේ නහන්නේ. Or මෙයා PM කියලා හිතන්නත් පුළුවන්. If PM then 15 double dot 2 zeros. And 9 also correct. 9 උත් ගන්න පුළුවන් අපිට. 9 මෙහෙම වෙයි. AM or PM 9 උත් හරිනේ. Only 3 or 9. Then 0 9 double dot 2 0. Oh 9 කියන්නේ 21 double dot 2 zeros. Both times are same. Both times are correct. 3 or 9. Question number 21. Question number 21. When a number is multiplied by the nearest multiple of 10, it becomes 100. Write down all the possible numbers that number can. Then 95. Now we can start from 95. අපිට 95 ඉඳන් start කරන්න පුළුවන් නේ round කරපුවම යන්නේ කාටද 100 වලට යන්නේ. Now we want to start from 95. 95 because the unit place digit is 5. If unit place digit 5 6 7 8 9 we want to write its next 10 multiple, then 100, then 95 96 97, then 99 100 and 101 and 102, then 103 and 104. If 105, it's we want to round in 110. Here මෙන්න මේ ටික හරි. Question number 22. Draw the number line from -5 to +5. Draw a number line. නිකම් වදින්න මේ. Number line mid one is mid one 0, right hand side positive values 1 2 3 4 5 and left hand side is negative values -1 -2 -3 -4 -5. That's all. Question number 23. Question number 23. The blanks of 3/8 is 8. Then 8 is the denominator. The denominator, denominator. The denominator of 3/8 is 8. Question number 24. Write the integers 0, -2, -1, -4 and 3 in ascending order. Ascending order is small to big. Small to big. Then select the smallest one. -4. -4 is the smallest one now. -4. Next one -2. Then 0 and 1 and 3. Last one 3. On the ascending order. Question number 25. Draw the reflex angle and name it. Reflex angle is more than straight. More than straight. More than straight angle. Question number 26. Question number 26. Check your 26. 100 seconds. 100 seconds. Write minutes and seconds. Tell me what is the relationship between minutes and seconds? 1 minute equals 60 seconds. 60 seconds. Now how many 60 terms in our 100? How many 60 times? How many 60 times in 100? 1 times ne? 1 times then එහෙනම් 100 මම divide කරන්න ඕන නම් මේ 60 වලින් then 1 times then 1 to 60 remainder 40. Now 1 minute and 40 seconds. 1 minute and 40 seconds. 1 minute and 40 seconds. Question number 27. How many hours in 7 days? How many hours in 7 days? Tell me relationship between days and hours. 1 day equal 24 hours. 1 day equal 24 hours. Now they ask 7 days. Now we want to multiply 24 by 7. 24 by 7. 7 times 4 කියන්නේ 28 2. 7 times 2 14 plus 2 16. Now 168 hours. 168 hours. Question number 78. Question number 28. Hours and minutes we want to add. Hours and minutes. 2 hours and 36 minutes plus 8 hours and 28 minutes. Tell me again relationship between hours and minutes. 1 hour equals 60 minutes. 1 hour equals 60 minutes. Now we can put maximum minute in minutes column is 59. Now 6 plus 8 is 14. 1. Now 6. 64 minutes we can't put in our minute column. Then we want to subtract 60. Now 4 minutes here and plus 1 in our column. Then 2 times 8, 2 plus 8, 10 plus 1, 11. Then 11 hours and 4 minutes. 11 hours and 4 minutes. 11 hours and 4 minutes. Question number 29. Color the quantity indicated by the fraction. Total 8 parts here. We want to color then 5 parts because 5 over 8. අපි මේකෙන් 5ක් color කරන්න ඕනේ. We can color any 5 parts. 1 2 3 4 5. කොහොම හරි 5ක් පාඩ කරලා තිබ්බනම් හරියි. 5. 30. Fill in the blanks කියලා තියෙනවා 4/8 equal 2 blanks. Did you remember that one? Equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions. How to change 4 to 2? By dividing 2. By dividing 2, because 4 divided by 2, 2. Then 8 again we want to divide by 2, because equivalent fractions. 4 දෙකෙන් බෙදලා 2 වෙලානේ. එහෙනම් 8ත් බෙදනවා 2කින් මෙතන එනවා 4. 2/4. (31) are 3/5 and 11/20 equivalent fractions. Now get 3/5. 5 multiplied by with 4 and 3 multiplied by with 4. Then 4 times 5 කියන්නේ 20 and 3 times 4 and 12. Then 2/20 is equivalent fraction of 3/5. Now this one is not equivalent fraction. No කියලා පිළිගන්න. No. මේ මෙතනට එකත් මේක ලියන්න ඕනේ. equivalent fractions නම් ඔයාලට මතකද දන්නේ නැහැ. equivalent fraction මේ fractions නම් numerator එකයි denominator එකයි එකම ඒ කියන්නේ same number එකකින් multiply කරන්න ඕනේ. දැන් 5 4ෙන් ගුණ කරොත් උඩ 3ත් 4ෙන් ගුණ කරන්න ඕනේ. එතකොට එන්නේ 12/20. 11/20 නෙමෙයි එන්නේ 12/20 කියලා එන්නේ. 32 බලන්න. 32. Write the equivalent fraction of 8/10 with denominator is 50. Now denominator is 50. Then how to change 10 50? How to change 10 to 50? By multiplying 5. And numerator is, again we want to multiply by with 5. Then 8 times 5 again 40. Then equal fraction is 40/50. 40/50. Check 33. 5/13 plus 1/13 plus 2/13. Add කියලා තියෙනවා. Now all denominators are like in is same. Then write these denominator 13. Add only our numerators 5 plus 1 plus 2. Then 8/13. 8/13. Fraction number 34. 2/3 plus 2/50. When we add the fractions, denominators should be same. Now 3 we want to change to 50. How to change 3 to 15? We want to multiply by with 5. We want to multiply by with 5. Now 3 times 5 කියන්නේ 15. Then 2 times 10 කියන්නේ 2 times 5 කියන්නේ 10. Now we want to substitute 10/15 as 2/3. Then this one now we want to substitute 10/15 plus here 2/15. Now 15 is same. Now 10 plus 2 කියන්නේ 12/15. 12/15. 12/15. 35. ඔයාලට මේ වැරදි නම් පොඩ්ඩක් වීඩියෝ එක නවත්තලා හදාගන්න. වැරදිය පොඩ්ඩක් වීඩියෝ එක නවත්තලා සුට්ටක් හදාගන්න. Now 35. 5/6 subtract 2/3. Now again denominator should be same. Then 3 we want to change to 6. Then we want to multiply 3 by 2 again. Now 3 times 2 6 and 2 times 2 4. Now first one is we can't change because first one is 5/6. Subtract. Now we want to substitute 4/6. Now denominator same. Write 6. Then 5 minus 4 kiyane 1. Then 1/6. 1/6. Question number 36 ne. 36 again. 2/3 subtract 3/21. Again we want to change 3 to 21. Then how to change 3 to 21? By multiplying 7. 7. Numerator is also we want to multiply by with 7. Then 3 times 7, 21. Then 2 times 7 is 14. Now first we want to substitute 14/21 because first one is 2/3 minus this one is 3/21. Now like denominators 21 and 14 minus 3 kiyanne 11. 11/21. 11/21. Question number 37. Question number 37. 1341. Write the value represented by the digit 3. Then 3 and put the zeros. 300. Then value represented by the digit 3 is 300. 300. Now 38. 38. Again 7/30 plus 2/3. Now 3 we want to change to 30. How to change to 3 to 30? By multiplying 10. By multiplying 10. The numerator also we want to multiply by with 10. Then 3 times 10, 30. 30. Then 2 times 10, 20. Now first one is 7/30 plus. Now we want to substitute 20/30. Now denominators are same. 30. 7 plus 20 again 27. Now 27/30. 27/30. 39. Now question number 39. 39. Is 9 a factor of 12? Explain the reason of your answer. In this time we can apply our second method. Second method මොකක්ද second method එක? පළමු අපි දැන් මේ මොකද්ද second method එක බෙදීම method එක අපි divide method එක මතකනේ. එහෙනම් මේක divide කරමු අපි. 12 divide කරනවා 9 වලින්. 12 divide කරනවා 9 වලින් මෙතන 1 9 times 1 9 then remainder is 3. Meaning if now remainder is 3. If remainder 0 only factor. If remainder is 0 only factor, but now remainder is 3. Now 9 is not factor of 12. 9 is not factor of now 12, right? 12, reason is 12 cannot be divided by 9 with the 0 remainder. Therefore 9 is not factor of 12. Reminder එක 0 වුණොත් විතරයි ෆැක්ට් එකක් වෙන්නේ. මතකද ගඩේ? reminder එක 0 නම් ෆැක්ට් එකක්. reminder එක 0 නම් ෆැක්ට් එකක්. දැන් reminder එක 3 නම් ෆැක්ට් එකක් නෙමෙයි. මතකද කරලා තියෙන මේක ලිව්වේ නැත්තම් මේක බලන්න ලියන්න. 12 cannot be divided by 9 with a 0 remainder. Therefore 9 is not factor of 12. Question number 40. Write 12:45 midnight in the International Standard System method, then 2 zeros දානවා. මෙතන දානවා 00:45. ඔන්න ඔහොම දාන්න. If midnight time we want to add 2 zeros in our hour part. Question number 41. 41 days and hours we want to add. Days and hours. 10 days and 15 hours. Subtract 6 hours and 6 days and 17 hours. We can't subtract 17 hours from 15 hours. Now we want to take one days. Now we want to take 1 days, 2 hours side. Then what is the relationship between days and hours? 1 day equal 24 hours. Now 24 plus 15, total hours now 39 here. Now 39 total hours here. 39 minus 17 now. 2 and 2. Now 22 hours and its remainder days now 9 minus 6 is 3. 3 days and 22 hours. Forty-two, 42. Look the 42, question number 42. Now 19 over 20 subtract 3 over 4. Now first we want to equal denominators. Now 4 we want to change to 20. How to change to 4 to 20? Now 3 over 4 by multiplying with 5 we can change up to 20. Then 4 times 5 can 20 and 3 times 5 can 15. Now first one is this one, 19 minus 20 subtract 15 over 20. Now denominators is same, then 20. 19 minus 15 is 4. 4 over 20. 4 over 20. Then question number 43. Look the 43 now. Underline the proper fraction. 37 over 20 and 14 over 10, then 1 over 7 and 3 over 8. If proper fraction, numerator is less than to denominator. Numerator is less than. If proper fraction, numerator is less than to denominator. Then denominator is large one now. Now 37 over 20 is not proper. 14 over 10 not proper because numerator is less than. Now 1 over 7 is correct one. And 3 over 8 is correct one. Because numerator is less than. 1 over 7 numerator is less than. Question number 44. 43. 44. 2 over 13, 2 over 10, 2 over 7 and 2 over 4. කියනවා write the fractions in ascending order. Arrange the fraction එක ගැලපෙන right මාර්ග කවුන එක. අපි ascending order එකට ලියන්න ඕනේ. ඉතින් ascending order කියන්නේ smallest to big one. එහෙනම් if numerator same නම් උඩ සමානයි නම් යට ලොකු එක තමයි පොඩි. එහෙනම් මේකේ smallest one කවුද එන්නේ? මේ 2 over 30. Next one 2 over 10. Next one 2 over 7. Largest one 2 over 4. ආයක මේ විදිහටම තියෙනවා. ඔන්න මේ. මතක තියාගන්න නෑ උඩ සමානයි නම් ඒක මම මතක තියාගත්ත විදිහ උඩ සමානයි නම් යට පොඩි එකා ලොකුයි ලොකු එකා පොඩි. යට සමානයි නම් උඩ ලොකු එකා ලොකුයි පොඩි එකා පොඩි. 45 select the largest one. 7 over 12 and 5 over 6. In this time we can't compare of these two fractions because numerator and denominator are not same. අපි මේක denominator එක same කරමුද? 6 12 කරමු 6 12 කරමු නැත්නම් compare කරන්න බෑනේ. එහෙනම් මේ 6 12 කරන්න මම 6 multiply කරන්න 2 වලින් 5 multiply කරන්න 2 වලින් දැන් එනවා 10 over 12 කියලා. Now we can compare. Then 7 over 12 තියෙනවා 10 over 12 තියෙනවා. Which one is the largest now? ඉර යට denominator එක same නම් ඉර යට සමානයි නම් උඩ ලොකු එකා ලොකුයි. එහෙනම් largest one is 10 over 12. 10 over 12 කියන්නේ 5 over 6. 5 over 6 is now largest one. Question number 46. Write down the colored quantity as a fraction. Count the total quantity of this figure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then total quantity is now 8. And colored quantity is 1, 2, 3. Then 3 over 8. 3 over 8. 3 over 8. 47. තියෙනවා අපිට ඇඩ් කරන්න 1 over 10 plus 2 over 5 plus 1 over 20. Now we want to add these fractions. We know when we add the fractions, denominators should be same. Otherwise we can't add or subtraction. Then 10 we can change to 20 and 5 we can change to 20. Then take 1 over 10. 10 we want to multiply by with 2. Then 10 times 2, 20. and 1 times 2, 2, and 2 over 5. 5 how to change to 20? By multiplying with 4. By multiplying with 4. 4 times 5, 20. 2 times 4, 8. Now we can substitute 1 over 8 as 2 over 20. 1 over 8 can be 1 over 8 can be 2 over 20 now. Plus 2 over 5 can 2 over 5 can 8 over 20. Plus 1 over 20 here. Now denominators are same remaining සමානයිනේ. ලියන්න denominator එක 20 කියලා. Numerators add කරන්න 2 plus 8 10 10 plus 1 11. 11 over 20. 11 over 20. Question number 48. A child left home at 7:10 a.m. to attend an extra classes. He returned home at 1 p.m. Find the time he was away from home. එයා කීයටද ගෙදරින් පිටත් උනේ? left උනේ 7:10 a.m. Again he returned home 1 p.m. Now we want to subtract 7 to 10 from 1. But in this time, මේ ලියා ගන්න අපි hours and minutes ලියන්නම්කෝ. Hours and minutes. But we can't add 1 p.m. like that one. Because AM PM now. AM PM තිබ්බොත් PM එක අපි add කරන්න ඕනේ 24 hours වලින්. PM time now we want to add in 24 hours. Then 1 නෙමෙයි එන කවුද? 13 hours and 0 minutes. Subtract 7 hours and 10 minutes. On noveli. ඔක මතකයි වැඩි. AM PM දෙකෙන්ම තිබ්බොත් PM එක අපි change කරගන්න ඕනේ 24 hours වලට. නැතුව අපි අඩු කරන්න බෑ. Then take 1 hour, 2 minutes side. Then 1 hour equal 1 hour. Tell me the relationship between hours and minutes. 1 hour equal 60 minutes. Then this one is now 60 minutes. 60 minus 10 now 50 minutes. Remaining hours now 12. 12 minus 7 is 5. 5 hours and 50 minutes. 5 hours and 50 minutes. 5 hours and 50 minutes. Question number 49. 49. The television program is started at 5:30 p.m. Draw that time on the clock. Kahina clock එක කන්නේ විදි. 5:30 නේ. මෙතන 12, මෙතන 6, මෙතන 3, මෙතන 9. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 6, 7, 9, 10, 11. 5:30 කියන්නේ hour hand එක තියෙන්න ඕනේ between 5 and 6. Hour hand. This is hour hand. Between 5 and 6 because past 6 now. 5:30 කියන්නේ නම් minute hand එක තියෙන්න ඕනේ 6 වල. ඔන්න minute hand is 6. Last one. Question number 50 බලන්න. Minutes and seconds we want to add. Now 4 minutes and 45 seconds at 10 minutes and 29 seconds. Tell me first relationship between minutes and second. 1 minute equals 60 seconds. Then we can put maximum second in second column 59. Now we can add 5 plus 9 14, 1, then 74 seconds we can't put. Then we want to subtract 60. This one is 4, this one is 1. And add another 1 minute here. Then 15 minutes and 14 hours. 15 minutes and 14 seconds. හරි ඔන්න 50ම සාකච්ඡා ගෲප් එකට දාන්න ඕනේ. නැත්නම් මම ආයේ මෙහෙම ආන්සර්ස් දාන්නේ නැහැ ඔයාලට. දැන් ඔයාලගේ 50න් කීයක් හරිද කියලා ගෲප් එකට දාන්න ඕනේ. ආයේ එහෙම දැම්මේ නැත්නම් ඊළඟ එකේ ඉඳන් මම වීඩියෝස් දාන්නේ නැහැ. මේ හැමෝම දාන්න ඕනේ. දැන් ගෲප් එක හරිය දැම්මනේ. 50න් කීයද කියලා දාන්න ඕනේ. දැන් 50න් 47ක් හරි ගා 47යි. ගෲප් එකට එහෙම දාන්න ඕනේ ගානේ. 30යි. ඒ කමන්නේ අඩු වුණාට කමන්නේ දාන්න ඕනේ. 50යි 50ම හරිනම් 50යි 50ම වාහුව දාන්න ඕනේ. සිංගල් මීඩියම් එකේ ළමයි ටික ඔක්කොම දානවා එහෙම. ඔයාලත් එහෙම දාන්න ඕනේ දැන්. ඔයාලට වීඩියෝස් දැම්මේ නැහැ නම් අය දිගටම දානවා. ඔයාලා මෙහෙම එව්වොත් තමයි දාන්නේ. නැත්තම් මං අය වීඩියෝස් දාන්නේ. හරි වන්න බලන්න මේ ගෲප් එකට.